Yo, we're back in another tutorial video, guys. Today let's talk about how to create this smooth freezy frame inside Adobe After Effects. Let's get in. Yes, guys, so here I have a 3 different clip on this timeline. So let me come back here on this one, which is between. Double click on it. Okay, so now come here on the beginning of it. Okay, so right click and then go here on time. Click here on freeze frame. Okay, so guys, when you see this clip is already freeze, so I just want to shift click back forward and then I have to jump like 15 frame. Okay, so now let me drag this here and I have to cut just like this. So when you play, guys, you see it started by freeze and then it already jumped on the second clip. Okay, so the things I'm going to do, just click here on it and then come here on this pen tool. I'm going to mask this subject. Okay, because this subject, it will comes first. So let me mask this subject and this house too. So move these hands just for moving this frame. Okay, let me just hurry up. Okay, let me mask this house too. Yeah, this is good. So let me move this frame here on the center. Okay, click here on fit. Yeah, this is good. So and then let me just open up this footage and then go here on the mask. For this mask effect, I can this feather this subject just like this. When you increase this mask feather, you see how this subject is going on. Okay, so let me put it here on 10. Okay, so now let me enable this smooth and then the 3D dimension. Okay, so you have to enable those two stuffs. Okay, so for this transform is where you can animate this subject. Okay, so guys, you see here I have to come here at the end for this freeze frame. Okay, and then I have to enable position, scale, X, rotation, Y and Z. Okay, so and let me back on the beginning for this freeze. Okay, and then I can just move for this position. I can just move this subject. First let me zoom it. Okay, for this Y rotation I can rotate. Guys, you can rotate whatever you want in any direction you want. Okay, just for me, I'm going to animate this subject, which it will comes from down to and then to up. Okay, so you can zoom by using scale, move around up and down, left and right by using position, and then you can rotate using this X, Y and Z rotation. Okay, so let me just move, or let me use those transform. Okay, tool. So as you see here, I have been put it down here just like this. Okay, so when I play, guys, you see how this subject is moving from down to up. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, yeah, and it is moving from down to up with smooth. Okay, yeah, this is perfect. Okay, so now let me jump on the second clip with the third one. Okay, So here I'm using the first clip and the second one, so I'm going to use the second clip and the third one. Okay, so now let me back here on the third clip on the beginning. For this frame, you have to duplicate again, Ctrl Shift plus D, right click here on time and then freeze frame. Okay, and then I'm going to jump like 15 frame. So guys, you have to click shift and then click here on previous frame, and then you have to jump another 5 frame. Okay, so then let me move this stuff here on this, on the beginning of the third one. Okay, you see this phrase frame is starting, so now you have to click on it, and then I'm going to mask again this subject. So let me try to zoom. Well, I just want to mask good as possible. So move this hand to you to move. Where can I start for masking? And use this pen tool to mask the subject. Okay guys, make sure just you have to mask well as possible. Okay, let me hurry up here. Yeah, time is money, you know guys. Okay, yeah, I'm done after masking this subject. So you see how the stuff is. Okay, so now let me go here on, let me just start it by the end of this freeze frame. Okay, yeah, this is my, okay, I can jump like a few frames. Okay, let me start it by here. So click on P for this position, and then you have to add the keyframe. So let me come on the beginning of this freeze frame, and then adjust to move this subject on this side. Okay, it will come for this side, enter on this frame. That's great, man. Yeah, just like this. Okay, so after animating this frame, select those 2 keyframes, right click on it, keyframe assistant, easy. Or you can click F9 as a shortcut, you see, and then you have to enable this smooth. Man, that's great smooth, bro. This is very amazing. You see how this smooth is coming. Okay, so open up this graph. So let me animate those 2 keyframes. I just want to start by this frame in the beginning to come with speed and with the small speed, just like this. Okay, so this graph, it helps you to just for controlling these frames. Okay, those 2 keyframes. Okay, so let me see how it is. Okay, let me back. So now let me pray for those, and let me see how it is. Man, that's great, and that's cool, man. Okay guys, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and drop your comment down below and let me know what you think. See you guys in next video. Peace.